Today we are going to start with S3 bucket. So what is S3? Why we are going to require S3? What are the properties of S3? We are going to learn that thing. So what is S3? So S3 is a simple storage service. So what are the things we require in a computer? One is storage, second is CPU and memory. Combining these three things, we can run a computer. This is the primary thing a computer required. We are starting with storage. So if you want to work on Amazon, if you want to work on anywhere, first of all you have to bring your data there. Take example when you are going in Cyber Cafe and you want to create a PPT. You might need to create a PPT and store it somewhere. If you want to download some files, you require first of all storage. Hard disk is the primary thing which you require to store the data. So before moving to any service, before going to use a computer, the first thing is we have to select the storage. How much storage I required. Okay, where I can store the data. How my data is storing. That's all things is important to learn. Everybody has used Google Drive. What we can do on the Google Drive? We can upload our data. We can put any file on Google Drive. Similar to Google Drive, Amazon has created a storage facility, so storage service. So this is called S3. So what is S3? S3 is a simple storage service. So Amazon Simple Storage Service is a object storage service that offer industry leading scalability, data availability, security, and the performance. Just like the Google Drive, you can access the data anywhere in the world. You just have to log in and you can access the data. Similar to Google Drive, we have S3 bucket. Here we can upload the data, we can download the data, we can put any type of data. S3 provide developer and IT team with secure, durable, highly scalable object storage. How many of you has faced that the data on the Google Drive has been deleted by its own? I'm using Google Drive from last 10 years. I didn't think I faced this issue. Anybody has found that you uploaded any document in Google Drive and it automatically got deleted? So that is a word called durability. How my data is there? How secure is my data? Is your data lost from Google Drive? Similarly, Amazon has created the S3 storage for you, where you can upload unlimited amount of data, and that data will be always available, and the data will not be lost. It is easy to use with simple web service interface, and it allows you to store and retrieve any amount of data from anywhere in the world. Safe place to store your file. It's a object storage. Data is spread across the multiple devices facility. So today we are learning S3. So in S3, I talk about it's a storage device. In S3, I'm talking it's a object storage. What is meant by object storage? Before that, I want to make you understand what is block storage. So when you write the data is written something like this. Here, small blocks will be created. Okay, small blocks will be created. You can't see there. So let's say this is your hard disk, and here different sectors will be created. And when you write the data will be written in small blocks, or sometimes people call it chunk. Okay. So all the data which is written in your local hard disks are stored in a block format. That's why the local hard disk, all the hard disks which are attached to our machines, in our local machines, are called as block storage. What is the advantage of block storage? You can install your OS, your application, API, your application, softwares. You can install anything. You can store the data. You can do two things: store data, storage, and second, install your application. On block storage, you can store the data and you can install the application. What means installing the application? You can run your OS, you can install any software like VLC player, Microsoft Office, any software which you required, Chrome. You can install any software. You can install the OS. You can install OS. OS means operating system, just like Windows, Linux, Ubuntu. These are the operating system. So on block storage, I can install anything and I can store the data as well. But can you install any application in Google Drive? Can you install any application in Google Drive? Can I install my software on Google Drive? No. Why? Because it's not a block storage. There is the data is not stored on some single device. To run an operating system, to run an application, everything need to store on a single device, single storage. Yes or no? अगर आपका OS रन करना है, आपको अगर विंडोज रन करना है, सारा का सारा विंडो मेरे को इस स्टोरेज में यहाँ पे अज्यूम करो यहाँ पे स्टोर किया हुआ है, पूरा विंडोज का डेटा जितना 4 GB 5 GB सारा यहाँ पे स्टोर किया हुआ है, तभी तो विंडोज चलेगा. बट दिस डजंट वर्क इन क्लाउड, इन S3 एटलीस्ट. गूगल ड्राइव पे भी आप इंस्टॉल नहीं कर सकते क्योंकि आपका डेटा एक जगह स्टोर नहीं होता है. योर डेटा इज नॉट स्टोर इन अ सिंगल लोकेशन. It will be stored across multiple devices. That's why Amazon says it's a object storage. That's why it's a object storage, because you can't install your application and your data is not stored as a single place. Block storage means you can install your application and it will be an actual hard disk. But object storage, it is not a hard disk, it's a virtual space, just like your Google Drive. The data is not stored together, so you can't install any application, you can't install any software, you can't install your OS. So what is S3? S3 is a object storage. I can put anything on OS, on S3. मैं चाहूँ तो OS की फाइल भी रख सकता हूँ, ऐसा नहीं रख सकता, बट मैं उस पर कोई कंप्यूटर नहीं चला पाऊंगा. मैं कुछ भी रख सकता हूँ S3 में. मैं S3 में सब कुछ रख सकता हूँ, जस्ट लाइक गूगल ड्राइव पे मैं फाइल फॉर्मेट, आई कैन पुट एनीथिंग. ओके, MP3, MK4, MKV, जो भी फाइल फॉर्मेट कुछ भी रख सकता हूँ. देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम विद द फाइल फॉर्मेट. यू कैन पुट एनीथिंग, बट आई कांट रन एनीथिंग ऑन टॉप ऑफ दैट. मतलब अगर मैं चाहूँ कि उसके ऊपर मैं कंप्यूटर अटैच करके रन करने की कोशिश करूँ, वो नहीं पॉसिबल है. इसलिए बेसिकली एप्लीकेशन होते हैं, राइट. Previously when Google Drive was launched, initial days, मतलब couple of years back, हम लोग वहाँ पे कोई भी फाइल ओपन नहीं कर पाते थे, याद है, डाउनलोड ही करना पड़ता था. Nowadays हम थोड़ी फाइल्स ओपन कर सकते हैं, couple of फाइल्स जो भी सपोर्टेड है. सारी फाइल्स ओपन अभी भी नहीं कर सकते. वैसे ही S3 में कि मैं फाइल ओपन नहीं कर सकता वहाँ पे, क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई OS नहीं है. इस प्योर स्टोरेज, S3 इज प्योर स्टोरेज. मैं वहाँ पे सब कुछ रख सकता हूँ, जितना डेटा चाहूँ उतना रख सकता हूँ. बट उसके ऊपर वो मैं चाहूँ कि अगर टेक्स्ट फाइल है, मैं रीड कर लूँ क्लाउड के अंदर ही, S3 के अंदर डायरेक्ट रीड कर लूँ, वो पॉसिबल ही नहीं. क्योंकि रीड करने के लिए मुझे OS चाहिए या मुझे टेक्स्ट एडिटर चाहिए ना. अपना नोटपैड चाहिए रीड करने के लिए. यू हैव टू डाउनलोड दैट फाइल टू एनी सर्वर. इट कैन बी योर लोकल मशीन और इट कैन बी EC2. विल सी दैट. Okay, then only you can access the file. Means then only you can read the file basically.